Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today I have got the biggest unboxing I have ever done, and I don't mean that in like quantity of things, I mean physically, like weight. This is the Degustabox, oh my god, Advent calendar, and it opens. Look, I'm gonna have to put it behind me because it's just ridiculous. It is massive. My mum bought me this to unbox because she thought it would be nice. She did not know how big it was going to be. I didn't know how big it was going to be. I can't remember how much she paid for it, but I'll put it on the screen. This has nothing to do with PR. I do not get PR from Degustabox. I pay for it myself. Because this is such a big unboxing, I can't do it on my own. I need some help. And who do I need help from? Come here. You stand there? Cheeseburger! And you stand here. Fishy! You get a little Merry Christmas Advent thing here, which tells you what's in it, but we're not going to open it until we look at the door. So I'm going to try and move you slightly so you can see what's happening. Mika, find number one.
This one.
Go on then.
Okay.
Let me help.
How do we open this thing? Oh, biscuits!
Biscuits. Right, who wants to try a biscuit?
Yay!
Right, you have to do honest taste. If you don't like it, you have to say you're just having a bite because there's going to be lots of things to eat. So these are chocolate chocolate orange Leibniz. So these are chocolate orange biscuits.
Orange.
We normally have the dark chocolate ones of these. Bite. Bite.
Mmm.
Mmm. Thumbs up. Right. So they are. What's the number one? Well, that's not right. So that says number one, but it says our number one should be Lindt Milk Truffles chocolate box. So we have not got that. Good start to Degustabox, and this is why I don't get PR.
Now number 2. This is number 1.
Yep. Right, number 2, Ari.
That's later. What is this?
We've got this. Anything that we've already got or that we don't eat, we're not going to open, and we're going to donate to a food bank. This is Carnation Caramel Drizzle. I only bought one of these like a few weeks ago. We've got this downstairs. You like that? See, this isn't the right one. This is number 2. This is £2.49. And it's just like a caramel drizzle. It's nice. You want another bite of biscuit? Actually, no, because I've bitten it and I've got cold, so you can't. Give from mummy. You can have a whole one before bed.
Huh?
Make it number 3.
Okay, number 3. Ari, don't have to tell me. I can pick this. Ari, what's that? Ari, there's a
Number 3.
on it. There's a mooka.
It's more orange chocolate. Mackie's chocolate is made from a family farm in Aberdeenshire. £1.89.
I
You want to try some chocolate?
Yeah. We just got to clean up well.
You look for number 4 while I open this.
Okay. 4. Can I open it?
You can start opening it, yeah.
Chocolate.
So this is more orange chocolate. I don't understand why we haven't got the... Here you go. Ari. Mmm. Oh, that's yummy, isn't it?
Yum.
Mmm.
Yum.
Right. Number 4. Ari's just opened. Okay, this is wrong as well. Wait a sec. Right. So number 4, we have got some cashews. But number 4 on here, it says we should have flour and white meringue bar. So that's what we should have on number 4, which we don't have. I'm just trying to move you slightly so that there is less darkness. There we go. Right, Mika, find number 5.
Number 5.
Go on then.
Oh, it's like jam.
Number 5 is right. We have got strawberry daiquiri jam. We're going to keep this for Christmas. That looks good. So that's strawberry jam. That looks good, doesn't it? That's cottage delight. Wait. Yeah, that looks nice, and that's in the right place. Right, number 6, Aria. I think it's there, look. This is a big one. This is pasta. Pasta. Right, so we've got some Rummo, and this is Penne. 500 grams of Penne, which is nice. Pasta's always we like pasta in this house, don't we? And that's £1.99.
Mummy, can...
And that's just pasta. It's just pasta. That's nothing exciting. It's just pasta. Number 7, go. Well done. This is Agra Hyderabadi Tarka base. So this is, I think it's like a curry paste. It's a really big jar. Ben, I think will like this. Creamy sauce, full of flavour. The whole family will love it. So we'll all try that. We'll see what that's like. 8, go. Oh, wait. Go on then. You got it?
Good job, Ari.
This should be wine. It is wine. So this is a yellow label Cabernet Sauvignon. It's just a plastic bottle. £2.25. Heartland Wolf winemaking. Shush. Yeah, it's just a wine. Full-size bottles available at major retailers, but it is just a little bottle of wine. I will add up how much everything costs and put it on the screen at the end, and then we'll see how it is against how much it costs to buy. Number 9, go. This should be flapjack. Chocolate and ginger. It is a flapjack.
10 is all the way up there. Ooh,
so that's nice. That's £1.50. You'll probably eat that, won't you?
Yeah.
No picking up, thank you. Right, number 10. Wait a sec, Ari. And then you pull it. This should be some peanut butter.
Peanut butter.
Can you get it?
Ari's got it.
It is. Peanut oil rising to the top is natural. Just stir the jar. This is proper nutty, smunchy peanut butter. Nout but nuts. I don't know. Not quite smooth, not quite crunchy. We call it smunchy. I like that. Who likes peanut butter?
Me.
Do you want to try some?
I don't like peanut butter.
Christ on a cracker.
Ew.
Oh, it looks good.
I do want.
Oh, it looks yummy.
I'm not eating it at all. I didn't even get any.
Then get your finger in it, Missy. Mmm.
Don't like it.
You like peanut butter and chocolate spread, don't you? That's yummy. Why are you being a baby rolling around? No, I can't lick it, can I?
Okay.
Number 11.
This one.
This should be the cashews, which we've already got.
Oh,
We've got some fennel seed taralini Italian snacks. So I don't know what's going on because number 11 is meant to be cashews. We got the cashews earlier.
Is this 12?
No, that's 14, Ari. Number 12 is here. Let me just pop it for you. This should be all butter sweethearts. Oh, it is. You want to try these?
Yeah.
These are £1.50 and they're like the puff pastry little sweet. I think you've had these before. I think you'll like them. You're not going to have a whole one. You can just have a little bite.
Little bite of one.
A little bite of one.
They're so big.
So they look like this.
Oh, so good.
And they're caramelised sugar. Gotta bite it.
Just bite it.
You don't like it? Bite it.
Yeah. Okay.
Mmm.
Too sweet.
Too sweet? Get in the bin.
Mm.
Number 13.
Is it mine? Oh yeah.
Number 13 should be the chocolate biscuits that we got at the start. No, it is a... This one should be the orange chocolate biscuits. But it is a kind limited edition apple almond spice bar. Someone was pissed when they put this one together, weren't they, Degustabox? Someone was drunk.
Is this 12?
14.
Let's start.
Mummy's doing number 14. Tang plastics.
Do we like them?
Yeah, I think so. They're jelly sweets.
I want to try
Oh, you want to try one? They want to try one. In their defence, they did only have their first packet of jelly sweets a couple of weeks ago. Quite a large box, but quite a small bag of sweets.
Jelly
Some cherries,
Jelly.
and you can have a crocodile.
Crocodile.
So they're £1. Right, number 15 should be this. But it's obviously not because we've already had, unless I've got 2 of them. Obviously I've got 2 of them. Oh, and it's the number 1 thing. Someone was just drunk when they put this together. So this is the Lindor that we should have had in number 1. I think these are, let's have a look, how expensive are these supposed to be? They are £2.50. That is a teeny tiny box. I bet there is like 7 chocolates in there. How many chocolates do you think is going to be in here?
I do not know. 18.
There's not going to be 18, Aria. How many do you think? I think 7. Let's look. Let's count them.
Okay.
Hold the box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6!
I got some chocolate dairy and it was Snowy the Sloth. We found, after the first loaf I found was on a barbecue, and this loaf I found in milk. What?
We'll do a story time on that whole thing another day. Right, number
16.
16, go.
Those sweets are delicious.
Yeah, 16, Ari, down here, babe.
Oh, I'm going to do 16. Even if I'm not 16. Oh, it's the same.
It's salt, Maldon salt. I use this all the time, so this will get used in our house. We go through one of these like a month. I absolutely love this stuff. It's like the sea salt flakes. £1.30. 17. Bam, go baby, go. This should be some tomato fiery chili pasta sauce. It is vegan, gluten-free, dairy-free, and the jars are recyclable. So that's nice. Let's have a look. Daddy will like that. Tomato and chili pasta sauce. Daddy will love that.
Don't sound like this.
Yeah, you don't like spicy things, do you?
Yeah.
And the brand is Zest.
18.
18 is here, Ari. Go on, get your little finger in there.
Yeah, go on,
Ari. There you go.
Oh, that's a big one. There's 2 in here.
Ah, it says you should receive 2. So this is Gia and this is garlic puree and sun-dried tomato puree. So we use these when we make bolognese. That's always nice to have. I love stuff like this. It just makes everything easy. Excuse me. Number 19.
19.
There you go, babe. This should be crisps.
I'm going to do 20.
This should be a big bag of crisps. It is a big bag of crisps. Pull them out. Is it kettle crisps? Oh, careful, Teddy. $1.99. We like them.
Oh, 20.
20. Oh, 20. All your ones are high up, Ari, and you're tiny.
Yeah, I'm
Oh, she's gone. She's gone in. Need some help. There you go, babe. This is pork crackling, and it is the snapping pig. Snapping pig pork scratchings are amazing if you haven't had them before. Ben has had the advent calendar a couple of years, and these are marvellous maple. They are going to be amazing. Do you want to try one of these?
Yes.
They're super crunchy.
Is it chocolate?
Are you saying winky? Is it chocolate? No.
Give me.
Mmm.
Okay, can you do 21?
Mmm, they're good. Yum.
21?
No.
21. Every time I just lick them, I don't like them.
Yummy.
21.
Yeah.
Ah.
Careful.
Ooh, lemon spread.
No, it's mustard, not lemon spread. So we should have whole grain mustard, and we've got Dijon. I'm pretty sure Degustabox are just taking the piss. That should literally be whole grain mustard.
What?
And it's, we love Dijon, don't get me wrong, I love Dijon, so I'm happy with that, but it's not what is advertised.
Where's
Right.
mine?
22, Mummy's going to do this one because it's up high. Oh, Ari. This is Ari's favourite, if I've got it right. Oh, it's the wrong one.
Oh no, Ari.
Ari loves crunchy corn, don't you? But you like the salty one. This is barbecue. Daddy will like that one though.
Oh no, Ari, you like the blue one.
Yeah, you do.
Sorry, Ari.
23.
But is it my one?
Here.
My one. We can both do it.
Let Ari do this one. You can do the last one. Don't do baby noises. You a baby or are you 6? This is chocolate and caramel peanuts. Whitworth's £2. I'll keep them at Christmas in case anyone, if we're allowed anybody around, if anyone here, like anyone that comes around likes them, but we wouldn't. No one here will eat them. Mika number 24. So this should be the fennel things, and it's not. It's the marshmallow. So we have everything we're meant to have, but in the wrong days. So that's a raspberry meringue bar and then a salted caramel meringue bar. We've done the crunchy corn, we've got it already, you just don't like it. But that is not what has been meant to have been sent. So it looks like they've just like ran out of stuff and just put that in. And someone may have just been having a very bad day or can't count, I don't know. But you saw quite a lot of that wasn't in the right days. So yeah, I'll add it all up and I'll put it on the screen. Mika, don't make fart noises. What's your favourite thing? Chocolate biscuits?
I say.
Oh, the Tang Fastics.
Yeah, you like them.
You like them? Yeah. I think it's a really nice calendar, don't get me wrong.
I love these.
But I think it's a bit crap that they're in the wrong days and that the mustard isn't right. But other than that, I really like it. But we'll see what the value is like and I'll let you know in a second. Right, I've just added it all up and I just checked. My mum paid £39.99 for it, so 40 quid. And everything together is £50 and 7p, which doesn't seem like, for an advent calendar, you kind of, I don't know, it just doesn't seem a lot. Like I didn't realise, I hadn't checked this before, so I didn't know. But yeah, like, just, I don't know, like if you think, like, I know beauty box calendars are different, but like you'll pay like £100 for a beauty box calendar and it's worth like 400. I don't know, I don't know, I just don't think that's very, like, good value. Like, I don't know, I'm just not a fan, to be honest. I like the calendar, I like the stuff in it, but I wouldn't say, oh, go and buy it, because it's £40 to buy and then it's only worth 50, so I don't know. You know what I mean, you know what I mean. If you like these kind of videos, please do give this one a big thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe to my channel for more fun stuff to come. Thank you so much for watching. Do you want to come and say thank you?
Thank you.
You say subscribe.
Subscribe.